Hello everybody! In today's video, I'll tell you how to recover files lost in Linux after emptying the trash folder. We will also explore a scenario when data is removed with the shortcut Shift+Delete without using the trash, that is, when it's deleted irreversibly. How to recover a file or folder from Linux trash. If you have just deleted a folder with important data, you can easily restore it by going to the trash folder. To do it, open Trash and click Restore from Trash. The file or folder will reappear in their original directory. This way, we can recover accidentally deleted files. How to recover files after emptying Linux trash or using Shift+Delete. When you delete a file or folder and then empty trash, or remove something with the key shortcut Shift+Delete, it counts as irreversible file deletion. In fact, files deleted from trash can be restored with specialized data recovery software, such as Hetman Partition Recovery. Suppose we have some data in the Documents folder. Let's remove the files with the key shortcut Shift+Delete. The files are gone, and you can't see them in the trash folder. To restore the missing files, run Hetman Partition Recovery. Click on the disk where this data used to be stored. Remember that some versions of Linux create separate partitions for the system and for user files. This should not confuse you. However, if you need to restore user data from the desktop or such folders as documents, pictures, music, etc., it means you should scan the partition containing user files. Sometimes it has a corresponding name or marking. For example, Ubuntu and Mint do not create such separate partitions for user data. These systems only create a common partition with ext4 file system. You can see it both in the disk utility and in the recovery tool. In CentOS, the user data partition is named cs.home, and its file system is XFS. Meanwhile, cs.root is meant for the operating system and software. cs.swap is used as a swap file when there is not enough random access memory or for hibernation. In Fedora, the system of partitions is somewhat similar to the one used in CentOS. Here, the user data partition is named Fedora, and its file system is Betterfs. ext4 is used for the operating system. So now, you should click on the disk where data used to be stored. Choose the scan type. For starters, a fast scan will be enough. When the scan is over, click Finish. The program has found our files. We can also view the files in the preview window. To recover necessary files, drag them to the recovery list. If you can't see one, go to View, Toolbars, Recovery List to open it. Choose the method to save them. Next, select the folder where to save them, Recovery. I'd like to draw your attention to one peculiarity of recovering data from Linux Fedora. Since this version of Linux uses Betterfs, for your recovery operations you'll need another tool – Hetman RAID Recovery. Where Linux keeps files from trash. If the recovery tool failed to find your files in the folder where they used to be stored before, and from where they were sent to trash, or if you need to restore the files that were lost after emptying the trash, then try to find them in the trash system folder. Here is what I mean. The trash is only a system tool used to manage deleted files. But as a matter of fact, it is the folder where the operating system moves the deleted files. By default, in all versions of Linux, this path can be found here. There are two folders there, the folder with deleted files specifically, the folder with the information about these files. Also, you should remember that if your computer has several hard disks, the operating system creates a trash folder on each of them. Files deleted from this particular disk will be sent to such folder. In the graphic interface of the system, you can't see it, since the trash folder displays all files sent to the trash from any disk. However, these details become more important when data is recovered. If you are trying to recover data moved to the trash from a non-system disk, go to the trash folder in the root directory of such disk. You will find them in that particular location. Alright, so when you need to recover files lost after emptying the trash folder, for illustration, let's go to the trash where there are some files and empty it. Run the recovery tool. Click on the disk from where the data was removed. Wait for the scan to be over if you haven't run the scan yet. Go to the System Trash folder, check the folders to see if your files are there. To recover necessary files, drag them to the recover list. Click Recovery, specify the saving method, Next, Recovery, Finish. When the operation is complete, all files will be placed into the folder you have chosen. If the files were deleted a long time ago, and it is only now that you realize they are missing, or if the program couldn't find the necessary data during a fast scan, then scan the disk again with full analysis. To do it, go to the Recovery tool, right-click on the required disk, choose Analyze again. Now choose Full Analysis. Specify the disk file system. As a rule, the program identifies the file system of the disk automatically. However, if you need to know the file system used for a specific disk, go to the Disks utility to find this information. As you specify the disk file system, click Next. This process can take some time, and when the scan is over, you can see all deleted files. And that is all for now. Hit the like button and subscribe to Hetman Software channel. Leave comments under the video to ask questions. Thank you for watching and good luck!